In Kurt Vonnegut's Cat's Cradle, we meet the narrator, Jonah, or John, but not Sam. He's planning to write a Christian book about the end of the world. Now, Jonah does not follow Christianity anymore. He now follows a religion called Baconanism. Baconanism is clearly Kurt Vonnegut's satirical take on religion as a whole. Even Vonnegut admits that Baconanism is a religion based on the fact that you shouldn't follow it. In the book of Bokonon, Baconanism's version of the Bible, Bokonon writes this calypso about carisses, groups of people brought together for a purpose. Oh, a sleeping drunkard up in Central Park, and a lion hunter in the jungle dark, and a Chinese dentist and a British queen all fit together in the same machine. Nice, nice, very nice, 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 very nice. So many people in the same device. This beginning section of the book is a huge exposition dump, and Vonnegut could have cut most of the intro out. But after all that, we finally start to get into the meat of the story. Jonah, doing research for his book, sends a letter to Newt Hoheneicher, the son of the man who created the atomic bomb, whose name is Felix Hoheneicher, to ask him what he remembers from the day the bombs fell. Newt answers the letter and says what little he knows about the story due to age. Newt then speaks about his two siblings, Angela and Frank. From there, Jonah makes his way to Ilium to visit the lab where Felix worked on the atomic bomb to interview a doctor that worked with Felix in the same lab, Dr. Asa Breed. He gets into Ilium a night early and decides to go to a bar where he happens to meet two people that went to Frank's high school, a woman with questionable morals named Sandra and an unnamed bartender. The next morning, Jonah wakes up extremely hungover and ashamed of the fact that he spent the night with Sandra. Jonah takes a cab and meets with Dr. Breed, who definitely seems like he's in science for the money, as most military scientists are vilified by Vonnegut. At first, they speak about the creation of the atomic bomb, and Dr. Breed begins to get defensive and accuses Jonah of trying to paint all the scientists who work on the atom bomb in a negative light. Jonah, trying to defuse the situation, steers Dr. Breed to different topics. Dr. Breed eventually begins to talk about Ice-9, a substance that in theory, if it were to touch a body of water, would instantly freeze the water into ice with a melting point of 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Jonah badgers Dr. Breed about this for quite some time, until Dr. Breed gets mad enough to throw him out. It is also revealed at this point that each of Dr. Hoheneicher's children have a shard of Ice-9 in their possession. Wow, a world-ending weapon placed in the hands of people who have no idea what they're dealing with. I'm guessing Vonnegut has seen the situation in our world before.